Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with the Cuisinart cast iron single burner, and we'll just kind of read about what it says on the box here. It's 1300 watts cast iron single burner. It is a cast iron plate. It's not actually one of those coil type burners. Flat coilless cooking surface, easy to clean. It says ready on indicator light, so you know when it's ready. Actually, you know when it's on, and you also know when it's up to the temperature, depending on your setting here. Non-slip rubber feet, and it says they're non-marking. Hopefully you have 6 setting temperature control that easily adjusts from low to the highest heat, and also is brushed stainless steel housing. It supposedly looks great in any kitchen. So let's go ahead. We're going to take it out of the box, and then we're just going to boil some water, and we're just going to see how it works. I haven't really used one of these for a really long time, but we're just going to go ahead and take it out and see what we have. So here we go inside the box. Pretty light. It's not too heavy. Not too heavy at all. All right, so what you get here, what does it say? Single cast iron burner, 1300 watts stainless steel housing, adjustable heat control. Definitely not fingerprint resistant, but you know, whatever, you just wipe it off. So you have your device here, has a little tie strap around the cord, and it's reusable. It's not one of those ones that you have to cut. Just pull it out, stays on there. Move that out of the way. Be sure you take this thing off. You don't want to catch that on fire. And then we have the burner and we have the manual. So they actually have another one that has a dual burner if you're interested in that. And I will have the link in the description to this. On Amazon right now, this is roughly about $54 for the single burner. I'm not sure about the double burner. I'll put a link to both of them if Amazon sells the other one as well. So let's see, anything special in here? Cleaning and maintenance, let's see that one. Reasonable care to ensure many years of service. Always unplug it, never immerse it in water or other liquids. For easy cleaning, the burners are sealed. Do not attempt to separate the burners from the unit. Use a damp, soft cloth or sponge to clean the surface and thoroughly dry the burners and the burner rings. There's no serviceable parts. And that's it. There's a Cuisinart booklet. So let's go ahead and we're going to get some water in this pot. What do I do with my pot? Here it is. Go ahead and get some water in here. All right, I think that's about enough. Maybe too much, who knows. I'm going to put that on here. Actually, they always used to tell me on TV, you're supposed to put the handle in so nobody bumps it. I don't know. We'll leave it in. Let's do that. Let's try it. Go ahead and plug this thing in. Ooh, it sparked. How nice. So it's on. What setting are we on here? So right here it's minimum. Now here's maximum all the way up here. So for boiling water, I don't know, let's put it on 4. Put it on 4. Let's get a stopwatch over here. And let's see how long it takes. Get one going. Hang on a sec. Here we go. Just stick that there and start it. There's our stopwatch. See how long it takes to boil the water, and then we will be back once the water is boiling. But for right now, actually, let's just kind of go over this. So it's kind of nice, you know. It has a little Cuisinart kind of, I don't even know what you want to call that, sticking out there in the stainless steel. Nice little knob. It feels like good quality. I mean, there's a little bit of resistance when you turn it, so it's not just like flopping around or anything. On these buttons, you can't press them or anything. The stainless steel is really nice. It seems like it's pretty good quality. I mean, it's here. It's definitely, I mean, you could push it, I guess, if you bumped it. Could be dangerous. Just be careful. You know, let's see how far the feet are in there. So the feet are like still about underneath here. They feel like they have a pretty good grip, so you can kind of have it to the edge like I have it. And the burner, it's not getting red or anything. So there's no indication that it's on. Besides, let's turn it all the way up on 5. There's no indication that it's on besides the light, and there's definitely some heat coming out of that. So the burner is definitely on, is definitely hot, and you do have the indicator light, I guess, ready. I don't know what temperatures these are set to, so I don't really know what ready would mean. I guess ready 4, ready 3, whatever. So there we go. Right now we're already at 2 minutes in, and you know, boiling water takes a long time. Let's just crank it up, see what this bad boy can do. I usually never like to crank anything up all the way, so kind of maybe between 4 and 5 would be good. So we'll let the water boil, and then we'll be back once it's boiling, and we'll see how long it took. Okay, so we are right now about 6 minutes into the boiling water process, and I ended up having to come outside because this is the first time we turned this on, and it was emitting some type of, I don't know, odor. I don't know exactly what you want to call it. Some type of strange smell. So I guess the first couple of times you use anything like this, you probably want to do it in a well-ventilated area and not in your kitchen or in your house. Anyhow, while we're here, I want to just go over what it says here on the side of the box. So they say it's ideal for entertaining and holidays, offer extra cooking space when feeding a crowd or preparing several dishes, portable and compact. So if you have a small apartment, the office, dorm rooms, or RV, adjustable temperature control, obviously, super durability meets professional style. Built to last with premium brushed stainless steel, ready on indicators, low profile silhouette. So it is very low profile as you see there. Easy to clean, we'll find out about that. I mean, the coilless part is definitely easy to clean. If you've ever had coils on your stove, you know, when you spill something, you got to pull them out and it's just really tough. And the main thing I wanted to touch on is it has a 3-year warranty. So that's pretty cool, and it's Cuisinart, so hopefully they honor the warranty. Limited 3-year warranty. So there you guys have it. So right now we're 7 minutes in, water's still trying to boil. I can tell you one thing, it is definitely hot. It's hot outside, and this is also very, very hot. We'll be back in a few minutes, and as you see, still have my barbecue grill going strong. Be back in a few when the water's done. Okay, so the ready light finally came on to between 4 and 5, so that took roughly 8.5 minutes before it was ready on that temperature, just to give you guys an idea of how long it takes to actually get up to the maximum heating capacity. And just also to let you know, the odor that it was emitting, it's kind of gone away at this point. So I don't know if we brought it back in the house how it would be, but pretty much anything like this, you really have to air it out the first couple times you cook with it. So maybe even, boil water a couple of times and, just to air it out outside, because, the intention obviously wasn't to use an additional side burner over here. This is just, kind of have it in the house, or if we go, in the car, in the van or whatever, and we wanted to have it with us, take it wherever we might want to. That would be the real intention for it. Red light still on? All right, anyhow, guys, we're 9 minutes and 33 seconds. Be back in a little bit, still going. There's some bubbles going on in there. All right, guys, so right now it's 21 minutes. Might as well just say 20 minutes because it did take me a couple minutes to bring it outside, and then I had to finish heating up again. And I do not recommend you touch this anywhere. When I brought it out, it wasn't actually heated up at all. So I was able to carry it by the sides. But right now, these sides are very hot, and the top is, you don't even want to touch it. So it's not totally boiling yet, but we might as well say roughly 20 minutes for the water to be boiling. This is the Cuisinart countertop burner. It's a cast iron single burner. Once again, 1300 watts. It does have a 3-year warranty. And this is great for traveling, carrying it wherever you want to do, wherever you might need it, using it in any type of emergency situation, small apartments, anything where you might be able to use a single burner. And this is a really good burner, by the way, guys. It works great. It's just as good as having a burner on a stove, honestly. It surprised me, and I definitely recommend it. Anyhow, guys, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.